kay kuan, na kay 5. Kami na kay 5, din na kay utang nga 3. Pila mabili nimo? Dos nga. Unsa man ang dos? Kwarta utang.
Kwarta.
Cake. Tanaw sa cake. 7 plus negative 5.
Kabalo ana.
Wala ka malo ana. Sige lang. Kung naa kay kwarta nga city, din na kay utang nga 5. Pila bili nimo?
Dos.
Dos. Negative 12 plus 5.
Negative 12 plus 5.
Kung naa kay 12 nga utang, dayon naa kay 5 nga kwarta. Kung bayaran nimo yung utang, pila bili nimo?
City nga utang.
Negative 20 plus 15. Di ka kabalo? Kay 20 nga utang. Then na kay kwarta nga 15. Kung bayaran nimo utang, unsa bili nimo?
5
Nga
utang.
negative 10 plus 5. Wala? Naa kay 10 nga utang. Then naa kay 5 nga kwarta. Pila na bili nimo? 5 nga
Utang.
Well, in this video, we are going to represent the positive, the negative, and 0 as the utang and kwarta. We are going to represent negative as utang, we are going to represent positive as our kwarta, and we are going to represent 0 as wala kay utang, at the same time, wala sad kay kwarta. For example, you have 7 plus 16. That's positive. So, na kay city, plus punaan mo og 16. So, pila man na tanan? You have 23. Since kwarta nimo ang 23, that's obviously positive. Suppose na kay negative 7 plus negative 16. So, na kay utang nga city, dayon na pa jud kay utang nga 16. Pila imong utang tanan? Okay? So, you have utang nga 23. Since utang, that is negative 23. You have 7 plus negative 16. So, na kay city, na kay utang nga 16. Okay, take note, atong buhaton ani is bayaran nato ang utang. So ang imong kwarta nga city, ibayad nimo sa imong utang nga 16. Unsa mabili nimo? Mabinan ba ka kwarta or mabinan ka og utang? Yes, mabinan ka og utang. So si bayaran nimo ang 16 og 7, meaning naa pa kay bilin nga 9 nga utang. So the answer is negative 9 because utang man ang nabili. What if you will be given with negative 2 plus positive 5 plus negative 8 plus positive 10. Sa itong buhaton, anak. So, naa kay utang nga 2, na kay kwarta nga 5, na kay utang nga 8, na kay kwarta nga Gs. So, first itong buhaton is itipok na to tanan na tong kwarta. So, na kay kwarta nga 5, na kay kwarta nga Gs. So, pila tanan mong kwarta? That means you have 15. After na to itipok ang tanan natong kwarta, iipon po na to ang tanan na to nga utang. Kibalik kwintahon na to pila tong kwarta tanan, kwintahon po na to pila ang atong utang tanan. Since utang, adto ta sa mga negative. Utang nga 2, and utang nga 8. So you have utang nga Gs. And since utang siya, that is negative. You now have positive 15 plus negative 10. So, you do the process na dayon, na kay 15, na kay utang nga Gs, inigbayad mo sa Gs, na kay mabilin nga 5 nga kwarta. And that is positive because kwarta man na siya nimo, dili man na utang.
Gets?
So same with adding integers, we also have rules to follow in order for us to subtract integers correctly. Basically, the rule in subtracting integers is change the sign of your subtrahend and proceed to addition process. But in most cases, my students would always say, "Ma'am, walay masayon anak kanang dali ra madumduman." So now I came up with the triple C or the CCC. The first C stands for copy, the second C stands for change, and the third C stands for change. So CCC stands for copy, change, change. How does it work? Let me show you. This time I am going to show you how CCC works. Remember, CCC stands for copy, change, change. First is you copy the minuend, you change the subtraction operation to addition, and then you change the subtrahend. When you change the subtrahend, that means you are just going to write its opposite. Okay? So here, I have here an example, 13 minus 8. We all know that the answer is 5. Say, to prove that CCC works, so first is you need to copy, so that's 13. You change the subtraction operation to addition. You change 8 to its opposite, so the opposite of positive 8 is negative 8, and then you proceed to addition process. You have 13 nga kwarta, nakay 8 nga utang, kung bayaran nimo na, nakay bilin nga 5 nga kwarta. Since kwarta man nimo, then it's positive. So the answer is positive 5. Okay, here. In this case, you have 9 minus 15. Kung sa elementary pa nimo, ingon tanig, ma'am, cannot be, we need to borrow. But since wala man tayo pwedeng baruhan dira, you need to apply the CCC. Copy, change, change. Applying the addition rule, na kay 9 nga kwarta, na kay 15 nga utang, so pila imong mabilin? Mabilan pa ka og utang nga 6. So your answer is negative 6. Gets? Next example. Suppose you have 3 minus negative 5. Applying the rules, the CCC, copy, change, change. The opposite of negative 5 is 5. So you add 3 plus 5, that is 8. In order for us to divide integers, dapat kabalo jud pud ta mag-multiply because division is just the opposite of multiplication. And kabalo ko nga maayo na sad ta ani because as early as grade 1 or grade 2, nag-memorize na ta sa atong multiplication table. But sa akong experience, though kabalo ang students magmultiply og numbers, pag tagaan na gani sila ng ay negative, mataranta na dayon sila. Like, saan maning na ay negative? Saan maning na mo pag-answer? Dili mi kabalo pag na ay negative. Well, dali ra jud kaayo. In multiplying and dividing integers, na lang kay duha ka rules. Parehas na sila og rules, na kay duha ka rules nga imong i-remember. First, in multiplying or dividing two integers, if they have the same sign, then the answer is positive. Second rule, in multiplying or dividing two integers, if they have different sign, then the answer is negative. Okay, remember, same sign, positive, different sign, negative. Gets? Okay, example, 6 times 3. Do they have the same sign? Yes, they are both positive. So obviously, our answer is positive. 6 times 3 is positive 18. Next, say for example, you have negative 2 times negative 9. You disregard the signs first. Disregard sa nani mo, ayaw sa panumbalinga. So you multiply 2 times 9. 2 times 9 is 18. Now, tanawa, do they have the same sign? Yes, they are both negative. Since they have the same sign, then the answer is positive. So negative 2 times negative 9 is equal to positive 18. Next, negative 8 times 7. You disregard the sign first. 8 times 7, that is 56. Do they have the same sign? Diba, dili, ang isa negative, ang isa positive. So, atong answer, ani, is negative. So the answer is negative 56. What if you will be given with this kind of equation? Negative 2 times negative 3 times negative 5. Balik na sa rules. In multiplying two integers, if they have the same sign, the answer is positive. If they have different sign, the answer is negative. Now in this case, take note ha, two integers. So pila man itong integers karon? We have 3. So first, you need to multiply the first two integers. So negative 2 times negative 3, that is 6. Positive 6 because they have the same sign. And then multiply it to negative 5, you have positive 6 times negative 5, the answer is negative 30 because they don't have the same sign. Next, we have negative 25 divided by negative 5. You disregard first the signs, so you have 25 divided by 5, that is equal to 5, right? Do they have the same sign? Yes, they are both negative. So, our answer is positive 5. For the last example, 100 divided by negative 10. Okay? 100 divided by 10, that is 10. But, tanawa, do they have the same sign? Wala. Okay? The other one is positive, the other is negative. So, our answer must be negative. So, 100 divided by negative 10 is equal to negative 10. Thank you so much for watching and I hope you learned something from this video. Please share if you think makatabang na sa inyong mga friends. Bye!